Let's dive into the charts of Bitcoin, EOS and Litecoin, see where we are here, guys, with our pro trading system. Okay, so looking at Bitcoin on the daily chart, what a move last week was. We had, we've been long, all on the green buys here on Bitcoin here, and it's just been trending higher. And then we got close to 100,000, this little shallow pullback here, and then sideways for several days, and then suddenly, bosh, we get through that 100,000 and hit the 103.26 profit target on Pro Trading System. Now, we are seeing some divergence here. So I've taken a little bit of profit around the 100,000 mark, guys. I've been long since 17,000. So I think it's wise to take a little bit and then reload on the next pullback. That divergence is a little bit worrying because you can see we've probably counted 5 waves up here. If you take a little look on the hourly chart, we've actually seen a bit of a gap down on Saturday morning. So we're trading a little bit lower today. But if you take a little look at the weekly chart's been great. We found this beautiful base, this divergence here that started it all off for me. Got this lovely bullish divergence, storyteller indicator making higher lows here, and then this push higher, then that pullback. What a move. That beautiful push up, nice pullback for 3 weeks, and then we just continue. So you get these nice advances over several weeks, then nice pullbacks. Advanced, pullback. Nice advance, consolidation, pullback. And then as price gets towards that psychological area here, you see the candlesticks getting wider and longer as people start to get into it. And really, you want to be trying to buy when these candlesticks are nice and small at these lows here, and then selling up here. The last thing you want to be doing is buying here, guys, at 100,000. You want to be finding these. And so let's take a little look at the monthly chart, and then there are markets that are setting up those small candlesticks. I want to show you those as well. And on the monthly time frame, I've labeled it 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is wave 5. So probably maybe a bit of a pullback, but still very bullish indeed. I'm still long, and those of you like trading it, then of course you could do some short trades at some point, but like a few of our students do in our trading room. But I'd rather just stay long and be safe. Just holding non-leveraged positions here. Let's take a little look at Litecoin, because I think these markets on the daily chart, we've just exploded higher. We've gone vertical, and this looks like a very nice impulsive move. We got Pro Trading System buy down here at 72. We're trading at 136 at the moment. I really want to take a little look at the weekly chart, because the weekly chart for me, we need to adjust profit targets here. So it's just blown through these profit targets. But if I just scrunch the chart up for you a little bit here, and you can see that Litecoin here, they're just like these lovely little bases, these like rounded bottoms here. Nice push up, and then we get this rounded bottom here. Momentum starting to shift from low, pushing down to up, and then we get that lovely Pro Trend System buy, and we push higher. Okay, so and then we explode. And when you get those wide range candlesticks, the storyteller gets very peaky. It's probably the end of the move, and then you get that retracement back. And then since 2021, we've really just gone sideways. But now we've broken above 2023 and 2023 highs, which was around this 113, and it's quite low down, I think, Litecoin. I think this is obviously trailing behind the chart, and I'm a chartist, so I'm looking at charting patterns here, guys. I think, I'm starting to load this up as well, and I think any little pullback will be a buying opportunity, because I think we could get up to this 400 area up here on this chart. I feel like this is sort of this support area that's been holding since, well, way back. You see here, back 2018, 2019. Then we have this great big spike higher, and I think we're in the process of that. Of course, we're going to get a pullback because the daily chart is extended. So if we get into here, that would be a great buying opportunity for me anyway. So I think, Litecoin could start to really go again on that move and probably get above the 4 area here. Let's look at EOS, because I think that's just as nice. EOS here. We look at it on the weekly chart. I know it might be a little bit blurry for you guys, but that's on purpose really, because I want to show you the bigger picture here. And you can see that this has moved. We're back to where it normally takes off from on a weekly chart, and we're sitting here. I don't want to buy the thing when it's up here. Okay, so I'm happy to take risks down here, calculated risk, to get into these trades, because more often than not, these things can really take off and explode, just like they have done here. Didn't do here, but you've got decent profits out on this one. So EOS, from a charting point of view, we could start to be seeing this taking off again, because we're at the area that we want to buy it. We don't want to buy it up here, as I said. We want to be buying it down in these levels here. All right, as I said, all of these markets have had really big impulsive moves and are likely to have a pullback. All right, but overall, I'm still very bullish. This is what I'm doing anyway, and I will continue to buy some EOS and buy some Litecoin as well. I'm not buying any more Bitcoin at the highs here. I'd like a deeper pullback to load the boat again. I mean, if you saw Bitcoin last week, in one day, let's try and find it in one day. What time frame? Look, I mean, literally, we had this double top here. We dropped down, lovely red PTS, lower high, and then before the sell-off, this big spike, we got a red sell signal. Tracks were turning red all the way down here, so it was bearish, and then we get the red at 98,840 zone. This thing gets all the way down to 91, guys. Huge move. All right, and it could happen again here. We could spike all the way down here again, where I would be a buyer. All right, hope it helps. That's the update of Bitcoin, Litecoin, and EOS. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, guys, and I'll speak to you soon. Okay, give us a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. Speak to you later. Take care. Bye bye.